What's good, YouTube? This your boy Ghostfighter 2T's back with another informative video, and today we have the QI wireless charging pad. Does not include wiring micro USB with it, but that doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure you guys have plenty of those around your house. It charges any QI enabled smartphone wirelessly. I don't know what those are, but it shows on the box that is these particular ones, which is the XS, Max, XS, XR, and X. But it also does my phone as well. I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you guys just how it works. It's by Youse. This company is, I'm not sure what the company is by, but we're going to take it out and I'm going to show it to you. So it'll come nothing else in the box. And I'm loving this thing. I wanted to do an unboxing of it, little guide that it comes with. And so basically I have a charging on-the-go charger dock right here. So I'm going to plug this into it. And you see how it turns nice and red. And I'll show you overhead view so you'll see. Turns nice and red. And I'll take my new iPhone. Let me see if I sit it down and laying it forward. Okay, so you have to lay it on its back. So it's touching the battery, see? Now that it's touching the battery, it is blue. I'll show you in the dark. Bam. That's what it looks like. So that's what it'll be. If you're not okay with that shining while you're sleeping at night, you can always put like a little towel or whatever over it, so that it doesn't bother you at night when you're sleeping. But some people like a little night light, so some people might take a liking to that. But you just take it off, and it'll show just a little red dot. You sit it up there, boom, and it immediately starts charging your phone. There you go, man. So you can use this at your workplace. You can use this at a number of different places. It doesn't really matter. It's going to get the job done. I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to share that with you guys. You guys can get it at 5 and below, and you can get it for under $6. I think that's a nice little upgrade to maybe a docking station or something that you may have, or that you may just need, just in general. That's way better throwing it on that. And, you know, being able to be mobile to play your game or be on the computer or do homework or whatever with it right by your side, than to keep trying to plug it up. I get so tired of plugging up my iPhone. So this will give me a break when I'm around the house in the room during the day. I can just sit it on this and it'll charge up my phone. So